Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to start numericals. Numericals asked in engineering and medical examination. Now I am going to start. Questions, keep pen and paper with you so that you can solve it easily. All questions are asked in engineering and medical examination. Questions are taken from competitive exams. Okay, now I am going to start. I am going to read the question. You keep pen and paper with you. Then it will be easy for you to solve the numericals. I will give hint. Question I am reading now. C plus 2, it is a given C plus 2s. Three equations are given. C plus 2s, it is giving CS2 and delta HF, that is equal to plus 117.0 kilojoule per mole. Actually, questions are based on chemical thermodynamics. All numericals are based on chemical thermodynamics. Then now data I am reading C plus 2s. It is giving CS2 and delta HF, standard delta HF is equal to plus 117.0 kilojoule per mole. Second reaction, C plus O2, it is giving CO2 and delta H, standard delta HF, that is equal to minus 393 kilojoule per mole. Third reaction, S plus O2, it is giving SO2. Standard delta HF is equal to minus 297 kilojoule per mole. The heat of combustion of CS2 plus 3O2, it is giving CO2 plus 2SO2 is, means with the help of above three equation you have to calculate heat of combustion of CS2 plus 3O2, it is giving CO2 plus 2SO2. Its value is given, four option. First, minus 807 kilojoule per mole. Second, minus 1104 kilojoule per mole. 1104 kilojoule per mole. Third, plus 1104 means 1104 kilojoule per mole. Fourth, plus 807 kilojoule per mole. Again I am repeating the question, just to listen carefully or just you note down. Better you see the question and then you can understand better and you can solve it. Again I am repeating, three equations are given, three reactions are given. First reaction, C plus 2s, it is giving CS2 and delta standard delta HF value is equal to plus 117.0 kilojoule per mole. Second, C plus O2, it is giving CO2 and standard delta HF value is minus 393 kilojoule per mole. Third, S plus O2, it is giving SO2 and standard delta HF value is minus 297 kilojoule per mole. You have to calculate the heat of combustion of CS2 plus 3O2, product is CO2 plus 2SO2. and 4 options are given, means the heat of combustion of this reaction is first option minus 807 kilojoule per mole, second minus 11.04 kilojoule per mole, third plus 1104 kilojoule per mole, fourth plus 807 kilojoule per mole. This question was asked in KCET, Karnataka CET, and this question will take 30-second time, 30 to maximum 45-second time it will take to solve. Okay, just to think. After that I will tell answer and explanation. Both means I will tell the solution, I will solve it and I will tell you. Okay, just to think. Its correct answer is minus 1104 kilojoule per mole. Minus 1104 kilojoule per mole. How? Now I am giving you hint, and you keep a pen and paper. Pen and paper, then it will be easy to solve it. Okay. Now I am giving the solution, explanation I am telling you, just to listen carefully. Correct? Or if you want, you can note down also. First, better you understand the concept, and after that easily you can solve it. Okay, and you can write important things. Then here how minus 1104 kilojoule per mole. How will you solve? Now I am giving you hint and explanation. Here actually you have to calculate CS2 plus 3O2 given reaction. CS2 plus 3O2, it is giving CO2 plus 2SO2. Then with the help of above three reaction, above given reaction, three reactions are given, you have to first you have to get this reaction CS2 plus 3O2, then and CS2 plus 3O2 you have to bring, and right side product side CO2 plus 2SO2 should come. Then see, second and third already it is in the right side, CO2 and SO2. Then first reaction you have to make change. C plus 2S, that is a CS2, but you have to bring CS2 in the beginning. Hence you have to make it negative. You have to reverse this reaction, and after that you have to add other two reaction. Means and one more things, you have to just multiply equation third by 2. You have to multiply equation third by 2, and after that you add equation second. Equation third you have to multiply by 2 and add equation second, and after that minus equation 1. This is the important point. 2 into equation third plus equation second minus equation 1. and put the value. Then delta H, you will get delta H is equal to 2 into minus 297, equation third. 2 into minus 297, equation third, plus minus 393, equation 2, that you have to add, minus equation 1, means 117. Then after putting all three value, and just to simplify it, means 2 into minus 297 plus, in bracket you have to add minus 393, then that will be also minus 393, and after that finally minus 117. Then after solution it will come minus 1104 kilojoule, minus 1104 kilojoule. Okay, then correct answer is option B. This question was asked in Karnataka CET. Actually, in solving the numericals, this type of numericals, you have to see the reaction carefully, and what is the given reaction, how will you get that reaction, that you have to think. Sometimes you have to reverse it, correct, after the reversing. Reverse means minus. Sometimes two reaction you have to add, one reaction you have to deduct, like this. And because you have to bring CH2 plus 3O2, then 3O2 how will you bring? Then for that purpose you have to multiply. You have multiplied equation 2 for that purpose only. Because in both reactions, given reaction second and third, only O2 is there. But you have to bring 3O2. That's why you have multiplied by 2. And after that only adjustment you have to do. Reaction you have to bring, you have to adjust it. Reaction you have to adjust it, arrange it. Rearrangement you have to do, so that you will get required reaction you will get. And then after that you put the value, you will get the reaction. Next question. The enthalpy of formation for C2H4 gas, CO2 gas and H2O liquid at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure R, 52, second minus 394 and third minus 286 kilojoule per mole respectively. The enthalpy of combustion of C2H4 gas will be, again I am reading the question, the enthalpy of formation for C2H4 gas, second CO2 gas and third H2O liquid at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure are given. First 52, second means for C2H4 52, for CO2 minus 394 and for H2O liquid minus 286 kilojoule per mole respectively. These are given. The enthalpy of combustion of C2H4 gas you have to calculate. 4 options are given. The enthalpy of combustion of C2H4 gas will be, first option, plus 1412 kilojoule per mole, means 1412 kilojoule per mole. Second, minus 1412 kilojoule per mole. Third, plus 141.2 kilojoule per mole. Fourth, minus 141.2 kilojoule per mole. Option again I am repeating. First option, plus 1412 kilojoule per mole. Second, minus 1412 kilojoule per mole. Third, plus 141.2 kilojoule per mole. Fourth, minus 141.2 kilojoule per mole. This question was asked in CBSE medical, and this you can solve within 30 seconds. Okay, what I have discussed earlier, that way you have to think. Just to think. After that I will give a hint and explanation I will tell. I will give the answer and its explanation. Just to think. Its a correct answer is minus 1412 kilojoule. Minus 1412 kilojoule per mole. How? Now I am giving you hint and explanation. Okay. Just to, if you have pen, then you can, important things at least you can write hint. Then after that you can solve it. Okay. This solution with this after putting the value, you have to just simplify. That you have to do. Okay, if you will keep pen and paper with you, that simplification you can do. Now I am telling you, listen carefully. I am telling you this answer and its explanation. Answer I told you, it will be 1412 kilojoule. How? Now I am telling you. Here actually you have to calculate heat enthalpy of combustion of C2H4 gas. Then combustion means this C2H4 will react completely with oxygen, O2. Then that reaction first to write C2H4 plus O2. It will give CO2 plus H2O, and you have to balance it. Then C2H4 plus 3O2. It gives a 2CO2 plus 2H2O. This is the main part of the reaction. This reaction you will have to write, otherwise you can't solve it. This reaction is very, very important. Heat of combustion of this ethylene, you have to write C2H4. Then C2H4 plus 3O2, it is giving 2CO2 plus 2H2O. Then now delta H easily you can calculate. How will calculate? Then now just equation is already balanced. Then product minus reactant. Product minus reactant you have to do. Then product means 2 CO2 means 2 into given value of CO2 delta HF, standard delta HF, plus 2 H2O. That value again you write 2 into given value of delta standard delta HF of H2O. That value you add. After that minus reactant. Product you have written. Now minus reactant. The same way delta HF standard HF of C2H4 plus 3O2. Then 3 into O2 value. That is a given. Okay, 3 into not given, you have to apply your mind. 3 into delta standard delta HF. This here only you have to think. Correct? Then here if you will put the value 2 into minus 394, that is for CO2. After that plus 2 minus minus 286 for H2O. After that you add both. Now minus C2H4, correct? That standard value of C2H4 that is actually given. You have to calculate, it is given just to put. But here for oxygen, it is in a standard state. Oxygen, its value is given. Its value is not given, 0. You have to consider 0. Correct? Oxygen O2 is a standard state. Its value will be 0. Then just only you have to simplify it. Means 2 into minus 394 plus 2 into minus 286 minus 52 plus 0. 52 value is given. 52 value is given. Okay. Then if you read the question, then you will find all values are given. Well, that is a C2H4 value, CO2 value, H2O value at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure are given. For C2H4, 52 value is given, for CO2 minus 394, and for H2O minus 286. And simply first to write the reaction, balanced reaction, and after that product minus reactant. That value you have to put. You will get the answer after simplification. Okay, this is a good question, and similar type of question can be asked in a competitive examination also. And this question was asked in CBSE Medical. CBSE Medical PMT, this question was asked. Now, next question I am reading. As a question you can see before solving. Okay, and only then you can understand what I am giving explanation. Now, next question I am reading. The standard molar heat of formation of ethane, CO2 and water liquid are respectively minus 21.1, second minus 94.1, and third minus 68.3 kilocalorie. Means for ethane, its value is minus 21.1, for CO2 minus 94.1, and for liquid water minus 68.3 kilocalorie. The standard molar heat of combustion of ethane will be: first option minus 372 kilocalorie, second 162 kilocalorie, third minus 250 kilocalorie, fourth 183.5 kilocalorie. You see the question, and this question was asked in IIT. Okay, again option I am telling you. First option is minus 372 kilocalorie, second 162 kilocalorie, third minus 240 kilocalorie, fourth 183.5 kilocalorie. Okay, just to try to solve it, and it will take hardly 30 second time. Okay, and this question was asked in IIT. Just to think, you have pen and paper, just to try. After that I will tell correct answer and its explanation. Hint I will give you, how will you solve. Its correct answer will be minus 372 kilocalorie. Actually, when you are thinking, you think how will you get result? How will you arrange? What are the reaction? That you have to think. Correct? Only in that it will take little time, 10 second, 15 second, 15 second. in solving, hardly 45 seconds. Numericals will take a little more time. Okay, then now its correct answer will be minus 372 kilocalorie. How? Now I am going to tell. Listen carefully or note down at least important point. After that easily you can solve it. Okay, how? Now I am telling you, just listen carefully. Here you read the question. You have to calculate standard molar heat of combustion of ethane. Combustion of ethane. Then ethane reaction you have to write. Ethane reaction. Correct? Then how will you write? Ethane reaction, balance reaction. First you have to write. Then C2H6 plus O2. On complete combustion it will give CO2 plus H2O. Then here just you balance it. After balancing you will get C2H6 plus 7 by 2 O2 means 3.5 O2. Then it will give 2 CO2 plus 3 H2O. This balanced equation you have to write. C2H6 plus 7 by 2 O2. 7.2 means 3.5 or 3.5. And product will be 2 CO2 plus 3 H2O. After that easily you can solve it. How? Delta H you have to calculate. Then here again product minus reactant. Sum of the products minus sum of the reactants. Then after all values are given except oxygen all values are given. Then here product 2 CO2, then 2 into CO2 value. Delta H value is given standard, all are standard value. And again plus 3 H2O, then 3 into H2O value, standard H value. Both you just add. Okay, 2 into CO2 value whatever is given plus 3 into water. After that minus reactant you are writing. Then for C2H6 you have to C2H6 value you have to write. And then for oxygen what will happen? For oxygen now that value will be 0. That value will be 0 because in standard state that value is not given. Then means you have to write 2 into CO2 value is given minus 94.1. And for H2O it is given 68.3 minus 68.3. Then 3 into minus 68.3. After that minus then in bracket you have to write C2H6 value is given minus 21.1. Oxygen is not given. This is the trick. This is the main trick of in solving the question. Okay. Then for oxygen, if it is not given, then you have to consider it as a 0 because it is in elemental state. And after putting all the things value, if you will simplify, then you will get minus 372 kilocalorie. Minus 372 kilocalorie. First option. Hence correct answer is option A. This question was asked in IIT. Next question I am telling you. The heat of formation of CO and CO2 are minus 26.4 kilocalorie and minus 94.6 kilocalorie respectively. Heat of combustion of carbon monoxide will be first option plus 26.4 kilocalorie, second minus 68.2 kilocalorie, third minus 120.6 kilocalorie, fourth plus 52.8 kilocalorie. Read the question. Okay. See the question. Again I am repeating. the heat of formation of CO and CO2 are minus 26.4 kilocalorie and minus 94.6 kilocalorie respectively. Heat of combustion of carbon monoxide will be first option plus 26.4 kilocalorie, second minus 68.2 kilocalorie, third minus 120.6 kilocalorie, fourth plus 52.8 kilocalorie. This question was asked in a competitive examination, MP competitive examination. Just to think, after that I will tell correct answer and explanation. How will you solve? I will tell you. Okay. It is also similar type of question what I have discussed. Just to try to think. It will take hardly 30-second time. Just to think. Here you have to calculate heat of combustion of carbon monoxide. Just to think. After that I will tell correct answer and its explanation. How will you solve that I will tell you. Its correct answer is minus 68.2 kilocalorie. Minus 68.2 kilocalorie. How? Now I am telling you. You keep pen and paper with you and important things only you write. After that you can do simplification. Okay, I will give the hint. How will you solve? Now listen carefully and note down important point. Here you have to write this combustion reaction for carbon monoxide. Combustion reaction of carbon monoxide. First you have to write balanced equation. Then that is the CO plus O2. You know it is a CO2. Correct? But CO plus half O2. CO plus half O2 is equal to CO2. This reaction is very, very important. Until you will write this reaction, you can't solve this numerical. Then after writing this balanced equation, CO plus half O2, it will give CO2. Now after that delta H, you have to calculate as what you have done in the previous questions. Okay. Then delta H value of CO2, product minus reactant. Here also you have to do product minus reactant. Then product is only one CO2. Its delta H, standard delta HF value is given. CO2. Correct? And after that minus reactant. Two terms are there in reactants. Both you write in bracket. Outside minus. Then for CO value is given plus half O2. This value will be not given. Correct? Again here you have to put 0. After that you fill the value. Whatever is given, that value you write. Then for CO2 it is given minus 94.6. Correct? Product you have written. Now reactant, minus reactant. Then minus. In bracket you have to write CO. CO value is given minus 26.4. And oxygen value is not given. That is, you have to consider it as a 0 because it is a standard state plus 0. Then after that you simplify it. You will get, after simplification, you will get 68.2 kilocalorie. Okay. Hence correct answer is 68.4 or 68 point in question it is given 68.2 kilocalorie, but here you are calculating and that is also it will come 68.2 only it will come. Okay. After solving we will get 68.2 kilocalorie. Hence correct answer is option B. Next question I am reading. 1 mole of methanol when burnt in oxygen gives out 723 kilojoule per mole heat. If 1 mole of oxygen is used, what will be the amount of heat evolved? Again I am repeating the question. 1 mole of methanol when burnt in oxygen gives out 723 kilojoule per mole heat per mole. If 1 mole of oxygen is used, what will be the amount of heat evolved? 4 options are given. First option 723 kilojoule, second 964 kilojoule, third 482 kilojoule, third 482 kilojoule, fourth 241 kilojoule. Again option I am repeating. First 723 kilojoule, second 964 kilojoule, third 482 kilojoule, fourth 241 kilojoule. This question was asked in DCE, and this question you can solve within 30 seconds. Okay, this question is not very difficult. Just to think, it is just you can solve it. If you will read the carefully question, you can solve it without any problem. Just to think it. After that I will tell correct answer and its explanation. How will you solve? Okay, just to think. Its correct answer is 482 kilojoule. 482 kilojoule. That is the correct answer. Okay. And how? Now I am telling you. Just keep pen and paper with you, and important things only you can write. Okay. Try to understand the question before solving. Here actually just to see the question. The heat of 1 mole of methanol when burned in oxygen gives out 723 kilojoule per mole. Here you have to just consider, means combustion of methanol reaction. First you have to write combustion of methanol, or value is given, that also you can consider direct value. But reaction if you write, it will be easy. Then methanol plus 3 by 2 O2, it is giving CO2 plus 2H2O, and delta H value that is given minus 723 kilojoule. But you should write the reaction methanol plus 3O2, it is giving CO2 plus 2H2O. Then balanced reaction you have to write, because this will help you. Here in balanced equation you can see 1 mole of methanol is giving 723 kilojoule. Correct? Then now here oxygen, how many oxygen you required here? Then 3 by 2 oxygen is required. Then you will get 723 kilojoule heat by use of 3 by 2 mole of oxygen, means 1.5 mole. Then for 1 mole, from 1 mole of oxygen, how will you heat you will get? That you have to calculate very easily. Then 3 by 2, 1.5 mole of oxygen is giving 723 kilojoule minus 723 kilojoule. Then for 1 mole, how much? Then just for 3 by 2 is giving 7 minus 7 to 3. Then 1, what will happen? Just 2 by 3. Reverse it, 723 divided by 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. into 723 into 7, just you reverse it. 3 by 2 is there. For 3 by 2, then for 1 mole you have to reverse it. 723 divided by 3 by 2 means 2 by 3 into 723. That is the 482 kilojoule. 482 kilojoule. That is the correct answer. Okay. And this is the, you can say, when 1 mole of oxygen is used, what will the amount of heat evolved? Then it will be 482 kilojoule heat will evolved by 1 mole of oxygen. Next question I am reading. The heat of combustion of benzene at 27 degrees centigrade found by bomb calorimeter, that is for the reaction is given C6H6. Benzene is liquid, you know. C6H6 liquid, L plus 7.5 O2 gas. It is giving 6 CO2 gas plus 3 H2O liquid. This reaction is given and its value is given 780 kilocalorie per mole in this reaction. This is the heat of combustion is given 780 kilocalorie per mole for combustion of benzene. Reaction is given. You see the question. The heat evolved in burning 39 gram of benzene in an open vessel. 39, you have to calculate the heat evolved by burning 39 gram of benzene in an open vessel. And option is given. The heat evolved on burning 39 gram of benzene in open vessel will be: first option 390 kilocalorie, second 780.9 kilocalorie, third 390.45 kilocalorie, fourth 780 kilocalorie. See the question. And this question was asked in Manipal PMT. Manipal PMT. Just to understand the question. Again I am reading the question. The heat of combustion of benzene at 27 degrees centigrade found by bomb calorimeter, that is for the reaction. Reaction is given C6H6 liquid plus 7.5 O2 gas. It is giving 6 CO2 gas plus 3 H2O liquid, and its value is given heat of combustion 780 kilocalorie per mole. The heat evolved on burning 39 gram of benzene in an open vessel will be: first option 390 kilocalorie, second 780.9 kilocalorie, third 390.45 kilocalorie, fourth 780 kilocalorie. Just to think, this question was asked in Manipal PMT, and this we can solve within 45 seconds. Just to think. After that I will tell correct answer and its explanation. How will you solve that I will tell. Now I am giving you a hint how will you calculate. Just to important point only you can note down. Okay. Here now you have to just calculate the number of moles of a product minus reactant. Product minus reactant. How many moles changed? Then balanced equation is given C6H6, that is the liquid, and oxygen is 7.5 mole, and product is carbon dioxide is 6 mole, and water is 3 H2O liquid. But here while calculating number of moles only you have to calculate for gas, not for liquid or solid. Here no solid is there, liquid is there, but you have to calculate only for gas. Then product side 6 mole is there, CO2, and reactant side 7.5 oxygen is there. Then number of moles changed, how many, that you have to calculate first, because Ng you required, Ng number of moles of gas, product minus reactant you have to require. Then here 6 minus 7.5, 6 minus 3.5, you can tell, 6 minus 7.5. Then how much you will get? You will get minus 3 by 2. Means 1.5 you will get in minus. Because volume decreased, minus 1.5. Product minus reactant. Product is less, reactant is more. Then difference is minus 3 by 2. N is equal to minus 3 by 2. And now actually you have to calculate delta H. Then you have to use the formula. Formula is a common formula. Delta H is equal to delta E plus delta Ng RT. This is the common formula. Okay. Enthalpy formula always you remember. Delta H is equal to delta E plus delta N RT. How it came this formula? Then PV is equal to nRT. In the place of PV you have written nRT. Correct? Here N is the gaseous form. Number of moles of the how much product changed, that delta N you have to write. Delta N. And delta N is equal to minus 3 by 2. R value you know. T value you know. Correct? And delta E value that is given. Means delta E value that is the minus 780. It is given. Minus delta N value is minus 32. Then in the place of plus delta N, there you write minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 into, now RT value you have to write. Then for that you have to write 2 divided by 1000 into 300. 300 because question is given 270. A reaction takes place at 27 degrees centigrade. 27 degrees centigrade. Then 273 plus 27, 300. Then here you got this T value became 300 and R value is here, you will get 2 divided by 1000. Correct? 2 divided by 1000. 1.98 you know, kilocalorie. Roughly 1.98, roughly 2 you can write. That's why here you have written 2 and you have divided by 1000 because you converted into kilo. 1.98 calories. That is equivalent to 2 calorie you can write, calorie. But calorie you have to convert in kilo. That's why divided by 1000. Correct? 2 kilocalorie you have to write, then divided by 1000. And here temperature is Kelvin. That's why it's in kilo. Then temperature is 300. After solving, after doing simplification, you will get minus 780.9 kilocalorie per mole. This is the heat evolved from 1 mole of benzene. That is the 78 gram. This heat you will get by 78 gram. But in question, you have to calculate heat from 39 gram. 39 gram. Then its value will be half. Its value will be half of 780.9. Half of this. Means this value are getting from 78. Then for 1, then for 39, its value will be half. 780.9 divided by 2, that is the 390.45 kilocalorie. Okay, this is a good question. Good question, and its answer I told you 390.45 kilocalorie. This question was asked in Manipal PMT. Now next question I am telling you. Heat of combustion heat of combustion. Actually, what I am solving the numericals, that is based on calculation of heat of combustion. Main chapter is thermodynamics, correct? Then now this next question I am telling you from this heat of combustion. Then next question I am telling you, heat of combustion of carbon, solid, H2 gas and methane are minus 94 second, minus 68 and minus 213 kilocalorie per mole. Then delta H for C solid plus 2H2 gas, product is CH4 gas. This reaction is given. What is the value? 4 option is given. Again I am repeating the question. Heat of combustion of delta H for carbon, hydrogen and methane are minus 94, minus 68 and minus 213 kilocalorie per mole. Then delta H for carbon plus 2H2. Carbon is solid plus 2H2 gas. It is giving CH4 gas. Its value will be 4 option is given. First option is minus 17 kilocalorie. Second, minus 111 kilocalorie. Third, minus 170 calorie, means 170 kilocalorie. Fourth, minus 85 kilocalorie. Okay, just to see the question. And this question was asked in CBSE Medical. CBSE Medical. Just to think. It will take hardly 30 second time. Within 30 seconds you can solve it. Just to think. After that I will tell correct answer, and how will you solve it, that I will tell you with explanation. Okay, just to think. Its correct answer is minus 17 kilocalorie. Minus 17 kilocalorie. How? Now I am telling you. Heat evolved from 0.2 gram. Here just these things. First you see the question. Question is heat of combustion. Delta H for carbon, H2 and CH4. These are given. Minus 94, minus 68, minus 213 kilocalorie. Then delta H for C plus 2H2, that is the CH4, it is given. You have to calculate this thing, delta H value. Its value will be minus 17 kilocalorie. How? Now I am telling you. Here all reaction first you write C plus O2 CO2, and your delta H value is given. Delta H is equal to minus 94 kilocalorie. Second reaction H2 plus half O2. It is giving H2O, and delta H value is given minus 68 kilocalorie. Third reaction CH4 plus 2O2. It is giving CO2 plus 2H2O, balanced equation, and delta H value is given minus 213 kilocalorie. Then you have to calculate C plus 2H2, that is the CH4. Then now these three reaction you have to write. Okay, again reaction I am telling you, C plus O2 CO2, correct? Second H2 plus half O2 H2O, delta H value is given. And third CH4 plus 2O2, it is giving CO2 plus 2H2O, delta H value is given 200 minus 213 kilocalorie. All three reaction you have to write, and what you have to calculate, that reaction also have to write. C plus 2H2 CH4. Then this reaction, for this reaction, delta H value you have to find out. Then how will you get? Then by the use of above three reaction, what I told you, by using that three reaction, you first to try to get this reaction with the help of above three reaction. Then after that you have to put the value, will get the result. Means reaction 1, first reaction plus second reaction. First reaction means first reaction C plus O2, second H2 plus half O2. Both you add, then you will get C plus H2. You want C plus H2. Then first and second reaction you add, and third reaction you minus it. Third reaction you minus it, means you reverse it, because you want CH4. You want CH4. That's why third reaction you have to reverse it. Correct? Then first plus second minus third, and put the value all three. Means minus 787 plus in value is given in bracket, you can write minus 286, and third, that is again minus third, then minus in bracket you write third value is given minus 1301, and just simplify it. You will get plus 228 kilojoule. After solving after solving this, all this value will solve, then you will get these things. 1 minute. First equation you have to add. First plus second equation you have to add, but second equation you have to multiply by 2. Second equation you have to multiply by 2. Why? Because you want 2H2. C plus 2H2 you are getting CH4. Hence second equation you multiply by 2. Then first equation plus 2 into second. After that you do minus third. And put all values. Correct? Then you will get a required result. Means value I told you minus 17 kilocalorie you will get after putting the values, and just simplify it. Okay. Now next question I am telling you, that is based on heat of formation. Now again three reactions are given. 2C plus 2O2, it is giving 2CO2. Delta H value is given minus 787 kilojoule. Okay, and second H2 plus half O2, 2H2O, its value is given minus 286 kilojoule. Third reaction is C2H2 gas plus 2 and half O2. It is giving 2CO2 plus H2O liquid, and its delta H value is given minus 1301 kilojoule. See the question. Heat of formation of acetylene is, you have to calculate. 4 option is given. Heat of formation of acetylene is, first option minus 1802 kilojoule, second plus 1802 kilojoule, third minus 800 kilojoule, fourth plus 228 kilojoule. Again I am telling you three reactions are given. First reaction is given 2C plus 2O2 gas. It is giving 2CO2 gas. Delta H value is equal to minus 787 kilojoule. Second H2 gas plus half O2 gas. Its value is given H2O. It is forming H2O, and delta H value is minus 286 kilojoule. Third C2H2 gas plus 2 and half O2 gas. Product is 2CO2 gas plus H2O liquid. Delta H value is minus 1301 kilojoule. You have to calculate heat of formation of acetylene. Heat of formation. Its value, 4 options are given. First option, minus 1802 kilojoule. Second, plus 1802 kilojoule. Third, minus 1800 kilojoule. Fourth, plus 288 kilojoule. This question was asked in KCET, and this you can solve it. Hardly it will take 45 seconds. Just to think. After that I will tell correct answer and its explanation. I will tell how will you solve. Okay, just to think. Keep pen and paper with you. Hello, now current has gone. Now it is becoming dark. Rainy season is there, complete room become dark. Okay, now I am stopping only here. Next class, again I will continue. Thank you.